Good morning, YouTube, and happy Saturday from snowy New York. I'm going to do a what I ate video to help me stay on track and be accountable today while we are stuck at home during this snowstorm. Starting off breakfast with a protein shake with 1 cup of mixed berries, which is 0 smart points, 1 cup of the unsweetened vanilla almond milk, which is 1 smart point, and a scoop of this pure protein vanilla cream whey powder, which is 3 smart points for 1 scoop, which is 25 grams of protein. So that's pretty awesome. So I'm going to whip that up. So here's my shake. Beautiful purple color. And I want to show you what we're dealing with here with the snow. Can you even see out there? Cars like covered. They upped the totals. Now we're supposed to get 2 feet of snow. So that's cool. I don't mind being having a snow day, but I just need to keep my eating on track, which is exactly why I am doing this what I ate video. So I'm gonna get started on my Weight Watchers chili. I'm gonna do a video with my little sidekick on how to make it, and I'll check back with you for lunch. For snack, I am having some fruit salad, watermelon, honeydew, cantaloupe, pineapple. Happily, 0 smart points. Alright, getting ready to prepare lunch. It's going to be half of a flat out wrap, and we're going to toast those, cut it in half. Me and my husband are going to share one. So that's going to be 1 point for half the wrap, or 2 points if you have the whole. And 3 ounces of this rotisserie seasoned chicken breast is only 1 smart point. 1 creamy Swiss garlic and herb on the flat out wrap with some lettuce, and then a cup of this corn chowder for 6 smart points. So I just realized this is only a 3 smart point sandwich. I have half of the wrap, the garlic, Laughing Cow. This is only actually 2.5 ounces of that. I could have had 3 for 1 smart point. So that is only a 3 smart point sandwich. Then we just fold it in half, and boom, good to go. And the soup. Snack time. I'm gonna have this Dannon Light and Fit Greek toasted coconut vanilla. Shockingly, it's only 2 smart points. I scanned it and I double checked the nutritional information, and yep, this yogurt is only 2 smart points. And I have a 1/4 cup of the Nature's Path organic pumpkin flax granola, which I'm kind of getting sick of. So if anyone has a granola recommendation, I would love to hear it. I love a little bit of crunchy on my yogurt. So this is a 5 smart point snack. Okay, for dinner I am having a serving and a half of the chili with some of the Fit and Active Mexican blend cheese. That is 1 point for 1/8 of a cup, and the chili is 5 smart points for 1 cup, and the sour cream is 1 smart point for 2 tablespoons. And I'm also having some multigrain scoops for 12 is 4 smart points. Okay, so I survived the blizzard of 2016. I am stepping while I'm recording this because I have 1,500 left to get to my 10,000 goal, and I'm completely exhausted, but I'm gonna do it. So, the Weight Watcher chili was absolutely delicious. I recorded a video. Unfortunately, my helper was too busy playing Princess Dance Party with her daddy to help me, but it came out great. It is 5 smart points for a cup. I ended up having a cup and a half, which is 8 smart points. I had a serving and a half of the scoops, so that was 7 smart points, and another 2 tablespoons of the fat-free sour cream, which was 2 smart points for 4 tablespoons. So I have 2 smart points left, and my hubby is making us the no sugar added rice pudding with some fat-free Ready Whip. He's trying to model it. You can come over here and model it if you want. There we go.
See the Amish cinnamon, direct from Lancaster County in Pennsylvania.
So he is hooking us up with our dessert. So just have to count the no sugar added rice pudding, which is 3 SmartPoints. So I'm going over my daily points allowance by 1 SmartPoint today, which for a snow day, I am saying success. So I hope everybody else had a great day and stay fit and fabulous. Bye!